Hello everybody, welcome to our channel, Can AI Do It? And today I'm gonna be showing you how to use the best AI models 100% free. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel and let's get started. The first thing you might be questioning yourself is, how is it possible that this is free? What is the catch? And the catch is, the biggest AI companies put the AI models to be tested by users against other AI models. For example, imagine OpenAI makes GPT-5, which is the most powerful model at the moment, available for you to use, and then you use it and you will review the model. The same thing, Anthropic makes Claude available for free so that you can use it and review the models. So this is the website where everything happens. The name is LM Arena, and all that you need to do is sign up, and then you can use all these models for free. Once you log in on the website, the first thing you need to do is change from battle to direct chat. And this is how you can interact with the most powerful AI models. For example, in my case here, I select the Gemini 2.5 Pro, but you can also select GPT-5, Claude 4.1, which is the most powerful model at this point in time. You can select Grok. So let's start by asking Gemini 2.5 Pro, explain why the keto diet is awesome for losing weight and staying healthy. And just like that, you can see that we have a full explanation to our question using this powerful model for free. The next thing we are going to be doing is deep researching using the web live. So what I mean by that is, so if you click here in web search, you're gonna click on continue, and now a new chat will start. If you come here to choose your model, you're gonna have options to choose only models that have the capability to search the web in real time. If you know a little bit about AI, you probably know that Perplexity is awesome to do deep research. In my case, I'm gonna be choosing Grok 4, but if you want, you can choose Perplexity or any other powerful model. And I'm gonna ask, tell me the top 5 most important AI breakthroughs of the last 7 days. And here we have our news. Today is the 2nd of October, and as you can see, we have news from yesterday, which is a great way to be up to date. Not to mention that this is an awesome feature if you are a uni student or if you are doing any sort of academic work. But that's not all. We can also create images. So if you click again on search, then if you click here on generate image, you are going to select a model. In my case, I will select Google NanoBanana, which is known for being one of the best AI image generators. And I'm gonna give this prompt. This is our photo, great photo. As you can see, there are some limitations. For example, I said portrait orientation, but you cannot actually define the orientation, at least not using Gemini 2.5 Flash. You can try with other models and see if it works. Now let's see if we can also edit an image. So what I'm asking here is to change the background from this beautiful tropical background to a cozy snowing winter. And just like that, guys, you can see the same angelical woman, but this time in a cozy snowy winter. Awesome. But again, that's not all. There is still more. So let's click here. And if you have a look, you can even build apps and websites using this, okay? I'm gonna click here, and here you don't have the option to go to direct chat, so you only have battle mode, which means that 2 different AI models will create your app or website, and then you're gonna have to choose which one is the best. In my case, I want to create a full financial spreadsheet so that I can control my income and expenses. Let's click on create. And this is the final result, what the application gave me. One thing to note is that I asked specifically for a Excel spreadsheet, but I got some sort of website to help me manage my finances. Okay, so maybe if you change your prompt a little bit, you can get something a bit better. And this is the first model, what was created, which I think is It looks really good. And this is the second model. And here we have perhaps the most exciting feature that LM Arena offers, which is the capability of creating videos 100% free as well. Okay, to do so, you need to join the Discord server. Just type in on Google LM Arena video generation Discord server, then you will be linked to the server. And in here, all that you need to do is click on here, and then you're gonna type /video and add your prompt here. In my case, I will create a video about a playful cat dressed like a ninja performing impressive kung fu moves in slow motion. Let's see how good this is. While you wait, you can also check other people's generated video and vote for which one is better and which one is worse, or in some cases, you can say that both are bad. And this is our video. Because this is Discord, it can be a bit confusing to find your own video. So I recommend you to come to the search bar, then you type in your username, and when you do so, you're going to choose mentions, not from, but mentions. Then you're gonna find your messages here, okay? So this is the prompt that we asked, and as you can see, we have two videos. Let's see which one is the best. That's a really good video. And the next one is, which is also a good video. And that's how you have access to the best AI models for free to do researches, to create images, and to create videos. Just a quick warning, apparently there is a limit of 5 videos for every 20 hours, so that you know. If this video has been helpful, I would like to request a like and tell me, did you know you could have access to the best AI models for free? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for having watched. See ya next time. Take care.